English-Hungarian future possession. I will have.
Nekem lesz.
Welcome, today.
Lesz.
This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. Hey do, ready to laugh and learn? Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. In a few minutes, you will say I will have.
Nekem lesz.
And you will sound confident doing it. Grab your ears, warm up your smile, and let's go. Your goal today. By the end you'll fire off all 8 future have forms like a pro. Say them out loud with me. I will have.
Nekem lesz.
You, singular, will have.
Neked lesz.
He will have.
Neki lesz.
She will have.
Neki lesz.
It will have.
Annak lesz.
We will have.
Nekünk lesz.
You, plural, will have.
Nektek lesz.
They will have.
Nekik lesz.
Tiny dialogues, big wins. Listen, smile, repeat. If you grin while speaking, your accent gets 17% happier. Science-ish. A. Can you meet tomorrow? B. Whole nap.
Nekem lesz.
Idem. Atkor.
Neked lesz.
Idad beszélni. Day.
Neki lesz.
Egi autoja, vroom. Ha a terv mukodik.
Neki lesz.
Tab idiha, coffee time unlocked. Ha megjavitjuk.
Annak lesz.
Airtelm, the gadget finally makes sense. Vager.
Nekünk lesz.
Eleg idonk, group high five. Atkor.
Nektek lesz.
Idotic telefonolni, ring ring. Niara.
Nekik lesz.
Egi hazuk. Party on the porch. Rhythm drill, clap and say. Call and response time, I prompt in English, do answer in Hungarian. Clap on lesz. I will have.
Nekem lesz.
Clap. You, SG, will have.
Neked lesz.
Clap. He will have.
Neki lesz.
Clap. She will have.
Neki lesz.
Clap. It will have.
Annak lesz.
Clap. We will have.
Nekünk lesz.
Clap. You, place, will have.
Nektek lesz.
Clap. They will have.
Nekik lesz.
Double clap. Culture tip. How Hungarian has. Quick brain-friendly tip so do sound smart at dinner. Hungarian shows possession with a dative like me, you, he and the verb to be. To me there is. Present, I have equals.
Nekem van.
Future, I will have equals.
Nekem lesz.
Negation, I will not have equals.
Nekem nem lesz.
So when you say,
Neked lesz.
it literally feels like to you, there will be. Delicious grammar. Story moment. A 20-second scene to glue it in your memory. Repeat the Hungarian line. Tomorrow the team presents. The manager smiles. Whole nap.
Nekünk lesz.
A presentáció, ne stressjeli. You nod, by 5.
Nekem lesz.
A kulks, and the tech assures. Ha megjan az oxy.
Annak lesz.
Airtelm. Everyone laughs because the coffee machine whispers. Atkor.
Nektek lesz.
Dupla espressotak. Quick quiz. Answer fast. If you get it wrong, blame the coffee. If you get it right, credit Synapse Lingo. Translate. They will have. Answer.
Nekik lesz.
Translate. You, plural, will have. Answer.
Nektek lesz.
Translate. He will have. Answer.
Neki lesz.
Translate. It will have. Answer.
Annak lesz.
Translate. We will have. Answer.
Nekünk lesz.
Translate. You, singular, will have. Answer.
Neked lesz.
Make it yours. Do, build mini lines with real life. Repeat after me. Tomorrow I will have time, holnap.
Nekem lesz.
Item. At 5, you will have time to call, akkor.
Neked lesz.
Idad telefonolni. By noon, she will have a ticket, day.
Neki lesz.
Jeggi. If we plan well, we will have seats, ha jól tervezünk.
Nekünk lesz.
Helyünk. Don't worry, you, place, will have snacks, ne agadjatok.
Nektek lesz.
Nasi. By summer, they will have a garden, niara.
Nekik lesz.
Kurtjuk. Wrap up and high five. Nice work, do. You rocked all 8 forms. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Nekem lesz. Neked lesz. Neki lesz. Annak lesz. Nekünk lesz. Nektek lesz.
And
Nekik lesz.
in short daily bursts. Come grab more lessons, drills, and laughs at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.